Namaste and a very warm welcome to all educators and lifelong learners. I am Dr. Sonam Bansal, Chairperson, Department of Education, Gurugram University, Gurugram. And I'm truly delighted to invite you on an inspiring journey that reimagines the future of teaching and learning. Today, we stand at the exciting threshold of Education 5.0, a new paradigm where human values, innovation, and artificial intelligence work together to make learning more inclusive, creative, and future ready. It gives me immense pride to introduce our transformative MOOC course, Education 5.0 and AI, advancing critical thinking, innovative pedagogy, and neurodiversity. Why this course matters? In this era of AI driven classroom and rapidly evolving skills, we need more than conventional teaching. We need educators who can nurture curiosity, critical thinking, problem solving, and empathy. This course is designed to empower educators, teacher trainers, postgraduate students, policy makers, and innovators to integrate AI powered pedagogical strategies that are aligned with NEP 2020 vision for personalized, inclusive, and equitable learning. Here, teachers, we will explore how technology can amplify rather than replace the human touch in education, fostering an environment where neurodiversity is valued and every learner feels seen, supported, and inspired. Who can join this course? Whether you are a school educator or teacher education teacher, a teacher educator, a policy maker, a postgraduate student, or simply a lifelong learner passionate about innovation in education, this course welcomes you all. No prior technical expertise is needed in this course, just an open mind, curiosity, and commitment to making learning more engaging, inclusive, and impactful. This 4 week self paced MOOC course begins with an introductory module 0 to help you become comfortable with the platform. This course will be displayed on Canvas platform. The following modules will take you through understanding education 5.0 and its role in building future ready skills, practical ways to integrate AI tools to promote critical thinking and problem solving, innovative and inclusive techno-pedagogical strategies for diverse learners, fostering neurodiversity friendly classrooms using adaptive technology, designing ethical, reflective practices for teaching, learning, and assessment. Along the way, you will engage in interactive assignments, vibrant discussion forum activities, hands on tasks, live sessions, and collaborative activities blended both with synchronous and asynchronous mode of learn, and that all are aligned with NEP 2020. Regarding the assessment, to make your learning more meaningful, we follow a balanced assessment strategy that is combined with both formative and summative approaches. You will receive continuous feedback, participate in interactive quizzes, and work on practical projects that you can directly implement in your classroom. This course is not just a theory, it is about hands on practices, reflections, innovations, feedbacks, and collaboration. And you will become part of a global community of educators where you can share your experiences, co creating your knowledge, and inspiring each other. This course is free of cost and it's a self paced course. And you can access this course at any time, anywhere on the Canvas platform where you can clear your doubts and to guide your own journey. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with practical strategies, AI driven tools, and inclusive teaching models to transform your classrooms. So, what you are waiting for? Join us as we shape a new era of equitable, innovative, and AI enhanced learning environments. Let's prepare our students and ourselves for the challenges and opportunities of Education 5.0. So, enroll now with the given link, or you can directly join with the code given below. So, be part of this transformative movement that is starting from October 2025. Together, we can learn, innovate, empower, and transform education for a better future. So, I look forward to personally welcoming you to this enriching journey. Thank you.